Hey guys, welcome to my channel, One Data Byte. Today I'll guide you to register and log in into Databricks Free Edition. Before jumping into the web browser page, let me explain about the Databricks platform quickly. So this is the full end-to-end definition or the perfect definition for Databricks, you can say. So Databricks is a data and AI company, provides a unified analytics platform leveraging open source technologies that data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists can all use for developing, deploying, sharing, and orchestrating industry-grade data and AI solutions at scale to store, process, and analyze the data that drives critical business functions and decisions along with unified governance. This platform is also known as the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform, which integrates with different cloud providers as per our need or our organization's need to orchestrate compute, storage, and security for data workloads. Databricks offers these two options for learning and exploring. First one is free edition and free trial. Let me jump into a web browser for showing you that what are the differences in between these two options. So free edition in Databricks is totally no cost version of Databricks, designed for students, educators, hobbyists, and anyone learning or experimenting with data and AI. This includes open source technologies used in Databricks, along with few Databricks premium services with some limitations, obviously. But you don't have to pay anything for this free edition. But the free trial is totally designed for organizations and professionals. So for free trial, Databricks will provide first 14 days with $400 credit. Post that, organizations or users have to pay from their pocket. So for now, free edition is enough for our first two learning steps. In the final step, I will demonstrate through the free trial registration and login. But right now, I will demonstrate only for free edition registration and login. For now, I'm not explaining in-depth comparisons between these two versions of Databricks. Once we are done exploring with free edition and we have to jump for free trial exploration, then I will explain each in-depth differences between these two versions of Databricks. As I stated, for Python, Apache Spark, and Delta Lake learnings, free edition is enough for our requirement. But when we have to explore the Databricks premium features, then we have to use free trial. So for now, free edition we are choosing. So without any delay, let's jump into the web browser for Databricks free edition registration and login. Okay, first you have to open up your favorite web browser. I am using Chrome, and post that you have to search with Databricks Free Edition. Post that you have to just scroll down a little bit and you'll find something like this Free Edition replacing Databricks Community Edition. Previously, Databricks had this Community Edition for the learning and exploring Databricks. Right now, they migrated everything to the Free Edition with the latest premium features of Databricks. Now you have to click on sign up for free edition if you don't have any already registered any email ID to the for the Databricks free edition. First, for first time user, you have to click on this. So let me click on it. Yeah, and you have to provide your email here, and you have to click continue with email. Once you clicked, you will get one mail with the verification code. You have to pass the verification code here. Yeah, and here for first time you have to set up your account, choose your country here, and any preferred account name for your Databricks platform. I'm choosing one Databyte, and you have to hit continue. Then you have to solve this puzzle. Okay, verification completed. It will take a few minutes to setting up the workspace for your use. Okay, now we are good with our registration process to Databricks Free Edition. Let me show you that how to log in into the Databricks Free Edition with the user ID, what you have used just for the registration. Just you have to click on this login button. Once clicked, you have to put your mail ID, the same mail ID you put for the registration. So that you have to put here, and then you have to hit continue with email. Similarly, you will get one verification mail, and that verification code you have to pass here. And then it will take you to this page. This is the Databricks Free Edition's homepage. And the left side, you can see all the tabs. These tabs are associated with different Databricks features or Databricks services, better to say. I will explain each of these services. Don't worry, in my few next videos, I will explain those features and services one by one. And for now, this is the homepage. On the right side, you can see the workspace name here. For Databricks Free Edition, we can create only one workspace, but for free trial or professional users, we can create multiple workspaces. That's why it is, showing the search workspaces uh, panel here. But don't worry, as I said previously, with Free Edition and this single workspace, we can easily complete our first two learning steps. And here, this is the user profile button, you can say. So here you can see the workspace name and open sharing IDs, uh, the the cloud network connected with this workspace basically. And these you can manipulate settings for the workspaces from here. You can see privacy policies, send feedback to Databricks, and if you want, you can hit on lockout. I think that's it. I just want to explain in this video. In my next learning videos, I will explain um, each of these facilities one by one, and the different tabs and different buttons, how they are connected to different Databricks features. Those I will explain. Don't worry. Okay. All the links I am attaching in the description. So please check the description for the links associated with this demonstration. As per the course flow, we'll start our learning journey with Python programming concepts. On the next video, I'll start with Python introduction. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching my video.